Okay, so let us ask the question, the next obvious question that we would have in our minds is that, okay, it is all fine, does it really work? So the key idea here again is that there are many studies that establish the benefits of active learning strategies. Now what is a flipped classroom? Flipped classroom is nothing but a student doing some activity outside of class, student doing some preparatory activity such as watching a video or reading some material, and doing a lot of active learning on that material in the class. So as a result of which, the flipped classrooms that incorporate active learning automatically get the benefits of these active learning strategies. Okay. So there are many papers on these strategies. One of them is as far back as 2001, the idea of flipped classroom with peer instruction showed that students who worked in that model had significant learning gains compared to traditional instruction. And then there were other research work, controlled group studies, which showed that flipping the classroom with small group discussions can also produce significant learning gains. So there are gains not only in terms of student learning, that students learn better and they are able to perform better in the exams, but also there are gains in terms of students are more interested in the topic, students come to class, and all those other advantages are also been documented. Okay. So to summarize what we have seen so far, why is flipped classroom a good idea? Because the class time is spent in assimilation rather than information transmission. Secondly, because the class time is spent in the higher cognitive levels of apply, analyze and create on that topic rather than lower levels of recall and understand. And third, the support of peers and the instructor is available to the student while they are working on these higher cognitive levels. So if there is a doubt or if there is some clarification or if there is some quick conception that needs to be corrected, all of that can happen while the student is working on these problems or on these activities which are targeting the higher cognitive level.